guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a what's in my emergency kit. So I really hope you all like this video and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and let's just get started. So here's what my emergency kit looks like. I got it from a local store, but you can also find such kits on Amazon. I'll put the link to a few of them down in the description so you can check them out. Now when I open this, it has two compartments, one on the upper side and one on the lower side, and it's really basic and I like the look of it. Plus it has a lot of storage, so I suggest you get something that can store a lot of things. The first thing that I've got is pepper spray. Now as a girl living in India, I'd suggest you to get a pepper spray yourself. I got this one from Amazon. It is super compact and it is super handy, so whenever you're in self-defense situation you can use this. I'll again link this in the description. The next thing that I've got is mini perfume, and this is also very compact, easy to use, and I got this from a local store. You can again find such products on Amazon. It smells good, it is good, and when in this sticky and stanky situation you can use this. Now the next thing that I've got are hair ties. Now as a girl, I know so many times when I've lost a hair tie and it's super hot, or when another girl needs it, so I keep it there for me or for other girls, as well as some clips, because you know what, it's necessary. Now the next thing that I've got in my emergency kit are contact lens solution and its box. So I keep the solution inside of it. It's super important if you wear contact lenses. It's been a savior for me in many situations. Now the next thing that I've got is Boro Plus. You can also get like Borolene or any antiseptic cream which also acts as a lip moisturizer or lip balm. I like to have this on hand. Whenever I need it, I just use it. Now the next thing that every girl should have is a sanitary pad. It is super crucial to have it. I use the ones by Kamasi. It's called the Eco Conscious pad and it is made of corn fiber, and it is all super safe to use, and I've been using these recently and I love them. This is a fun fact about this pad is that it has 5 layers which are biodegradable, along with its packaging which is made of craft paper, and you can dispose it easily. So it's super great for eco-conscious people like myself. They also have another type of pads which are sensitive pads. Now these are made for people who have sensitive body and skin. It is super soft and gentle on your skin, plus it doesn't cause irritation, so I'd highly recommend you to check it out. The next thing that they have are menstrual cup. Now if you are someone who cares about the environment deeply and you want something that is sustainable and super long lasting, then you can use menstrual cups. Now these menstrual cups are made with 100% biocompatible medical grade silicone and are also approved by the gynecologist, so they're super safe to use. The next thing that I've got is on the upper side of the bag, and these are panty liners. Now I use panty liners by Kamasi, and I use them when I have a feeling that my period is going to start or whenever I have vaginal discharge. It is also like this extra layer of security, and it's going to help you or some other girl if you keep it in your emergency. It is super thin and soft, and you won't even notice that you're wearing it. Now the next thing that I've got in my emergency kit are tampons. Now these tampons by Kamasi are made of 100% organic cotton, and they are super easy to insert and remove. One should always check the materials tampons are made of before buying them. So Kamasi has a lot of products for us teenage girls so that we can have a happy and rash-free period. Also, you can check out Kamasi's website. I'd put the link to it in the description, and you can use my code SamriddhiYT20 to get a 20% off on all these products. Now the next thing that I've got in my emergency kit is a mask, because it is super important to have a spare mask in case one of your masks that you're wearing breaks or something happens, so you need that. Next thing that I've got is a comb, and I've also got a soap bar. It's a mini soap bar, but I'd recommend the paper soap if you can buy it. I did not find that. The next thing that I've got are period cramp relievers, because I have really bad cramps. And the last thing that I've got are bandages, because you never know when a friend or you can get hurt, so you need that. So that's all that I've got in my emergency kit. Let me know in the comments what you have got in your emergency kit.
So guys,
guys, that was all for this video. I really hope you all like it. Make sure that you check out Carmesy's website and their products, and I really hope you all like this video. Like it if you like it, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter. I post reels on my Instagram, so make sure that you catch up on that, and I reply to your messages as well. Bye.